Hey, and welcome back. So today I have another DIY for you. I hope you guys are excited to see this DIY. I'm always excited to show it to you. So if you guys are ready, let's just get on into this video. Using these little TeaLight holders from the Dollar Tree, as well as these pearl stickers from the Dollar Tree as well. And you can find these in the kids section where they have like the, you know, school supplies and things like that. So that's where I found those. And then I'm also going to be using these little TeaLight stands here, and these are from Dollar Tree as well. So I'm going to go in with my fine glitter and Mod Podge mixture, and I'm just going to be mixing this up in a little baggie here so I have easy cleanup. I'll be going in with these gems from Walmart. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as hitting the subscription button, as well as hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.